Hello, I'm Vamika Singhal. I'm the founder of the Miraki Collab, my startup which was founded 3 months back. And we have grown into a community of 200 plus members of 15 different nationalities. So to tell you what Miraki is, we believe that making impact in the 21st century should be as easy as ordering food or a cab online. So what inspired me to start Miraki? We work for students. We are by youth for the youth. We are an organization for average or below average students who are unable to find their place in the world. So we help them develop a skill, build projects, form a strong community or network, and then get certified by working on real internships with 25 plus organizations that have partnered with us. So of the 25 organizations, 10 are international, while 15 are based in India. And they give a variety of internships from podcasting to sales, HR, PR, copywriting, and much more. We teach students 6 different skill paths that include graphic design, digital marketing, copywriting, social media marketing, website design and development, along with content creation. This is what our website looks like. We are a web application startup functioning, and what you can easily enroll with us by creating your own account on our website. And do mind, it's completely free. We are a benefit organization working for students, and there are no hidden charges anywhere. So you can kick off your professional journey with the Miraki Collab, learn a skill, do an internship, and build your portfolio along with your personality. This is Vamika Singhal, and I hope you get interested. You can visit our website, themirakicollab.com, or our Instagram page, The Miraki Collab. Thank you.